guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you guys here today. Today we are here to unbox my very first ever IPSY Glambag X. For those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will put a link down below in the description so you can go and check it out. They do have several options as far as subscription boxes or bags go. I do get the IPSY Glambag, which is the smaller pouch that comes with several sample to full-size products in it. Then they have one in the middle, and then they have the IPSY Glambag X. Now, the IPSY Glambag X comes out every 3 months, and it is $59.99 a month. And then for the IPSY Glambag, the regular one that I get, it is $13 a month. Again, I will put a link down below so you can go check it out. And if I have a discount code or a referral code, I will make sure to link that down below as well. So real quick before we get started on this brand new subscription box, if you guys wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote our videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, I have a personal goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which means for you, lots of giveaways. We did an 800 subscriber giveaway. We just did our 850 subscriber giveaway, and we are getting very close to our 900 subscriber giveaway. So guys, if you are not already subscribed, I would truly, truly, truly appreciate it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. You're going to find all kinds of content on my channel, typically chaotic, but there is a variety. I do weight loss content. I currently follow the Personal Points Plan for Weight Watchers, but it does include all weight loss programs. So if you're interested in weight loss, guys, stick around because you're going to find grocery hauls, cook with me's, what I eat in a day, anything else that applies to my current weight loss journey. And then you're also going to find all kinds of subscription box unboxings. So if that sounds like something that you guys might enjoy, or if you know somebody who might enjoy that type of content, please either hit the subscribe button yourself or feel free to share my videos. The more the merrier. And like I said, I love getting the opportunity to know you guys better. All right, let's dig into this box because I am so excited. Here's what the outside of the box looks like. I am a little concerned because there is seriously no tape at all. None. And I did open it because I thought that it was going to have like a bag or something on the inside of it, but it does not. So hopefully we have all of our products in here. It's a little concerning. But anyways, this is what it looks like when you open it. It does say IPSY Glambag X. It does say IPSY Glambag X on the inside. And then it's got this foam padding across the top. And that's what the inside of our box looks like. Just a little sneak peek. I may need to put my glasses on because they do have this flyer in there, and I want to make sure I can read all of it. The front of it says IPSY Glambag X, and this is curated by Huda. I know every 3 months they have a different person or group that curates the boxes. It has a place to get to know your curator, which is the Huda Beauty. And then it does have a page that lists the products that were... I'm clearly not coordinated today. It does have a page that lists the products that we will be getting and their prices. And I think I'm going to be able to read this without my glasses, so fingers crossed I don't have to put them on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what we have in our box. I don't think that I got everything I was supposed to. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to get 8 products, and I only have 5 in here. So I'm going to look into that some more and be reaching out to IPSY because I'm a little bummed. I paid a lot of money for this and I want all my products, but I've heard good things about IPSY and them resending missing items. So hopefully there's not any issues. If I have any issues, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, you can plan on seeing another IPSY Glambag X unboxing where I get the rest of my stuff. Unless I'm not missing it, but I'm pretty sure I am. So let's go ahead and start with the biggest item. This is PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And I have one of these. It's got the little base here to sit in. I got one of these in my FabFitFun box and I love it. I love the color too. It says PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. It has a $99 value. Truth be had, there's nothing the superpowered skincare device can't do. Made with ultra hygienic silicone, it uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. Work this in small circular motions while cleansing, and even your heaviest makeup won't stand a chance. And I think the one that I got is actually just a massager just for serum. So maybe I'll use this. If it's the same as the one that I already have, then I will be putting it in a giveaway. So this is exciting. I love these, so I am not disappointed to have one to be able to share with you guys. The next item that we have is Huda Beauty, and this is Glow Mood Hydrating Mist. And here is what that looks like. I'm all about the mist. I love this stuff. Very pretty. Very pretty. I love the simplicity of their packaging. Maybe you guys can see it there just a little bit better. And it's got this kind of a nozzle on it. I don't know. Oh, it has a wonderful, sweet, fresh smell. Ooh, I like that. I kind of want to spray that on my face now. I guess it probably wouldn't hurt anything, but let's read about it here. So we have Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist, and it has a value of $35. Already, my box, well, even with the first product, I'm getting more value than what I actually paid for the box. So that is awesome. An essential in Huda's kit, this multi-use face mist. It uses 3 different kinds of coconut oil, milk, and water to prime your skin, set your makeup in place, and refresh dry, dull skin for an overall dewy look. And then Huda's tip says, when I want even more radiance, I'll use this mist to dampen my makeup sponge instead of water. And I've seen people do that before. Okay, this is Thirst Trap Juice by Wishful. It looks like this is a primer and a serum, but I will read more about it once I get the packaging that I can actually see. And it's not anything to do with this packaging. I'm just blind as a bat. Okay, so we have Wishful Thirst Trap Juice, Hyaluronic Acid, and Peptide Serum. Look at that packaging. It kind of changes colors, doesn't it? Ooh, how fancy is that? And it does just have the dropper. It's got the same, very similar fresh smell as these, as the face spray did. So that's good. I'm really liking the scents here. You guys know me, I like scented products. I don't think if you are sensitive to fragrance that it is too scented. I think it's a very light, nice, fresh scent. Let's go ahead and read about this one. I can't find this on my page, so I don't know if I wasn't supposed to get this or what, but I don't see it. Oh, here we go. Found it. Okay, so here we have Wishful Trap Juice, Hyaluronic Acid, Peptide Serum, and it has a $47 value. Huda bottled up all the best hydrating and plumping ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, aloe, and niacinamide to create this fast-acting serum. And then Huda's tip says, boost hyaluronic acid's hydrating powers by patting this serum over damp skin. Nice. Very happy to have that for sure. I think I said that after every single item. The next item that we have is by Rare Beauty, and it says, with gratitude, dewy lip balm. Oh, this is cool. Look how it's shaped. Very nice. And this is in the shade Honor. Ooh, it's magnetic. I've never had a magnetic one before. Wow. And then that's what it looks like. Okay. So it says Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. It is a $16 value. There's nothing basic about this lip balm. It uses nourishing shea butter and botanical ingredients like lotus, gardenia, and white water lily to soothe dry, chapped lips and help lock in moisture. Plus, the sheer tint looks gorgeous on all skin tones, and I don't think mine was tinted, clearly. It says, Huda's tip. One coat gives the prettiest sheer wash, but I also love to layer it for an extra fun pop of color. Very nice. Very nice. And then the last product that we have in our box is by Sela, and it is a Glacier Clay Mask. Here's what that looks like. Sorry for the glare. There you go. Let's make sure we have a safety seal. Yay, IPSY. We do. Okay. All right. This is a $40 value. So Mask de Glacier Clay Mask. Okay, the hero ingredient in this Huda Love face mask, glacial oceanic clay from the coast of British Columbia. It's rich in more than 60 minerals and rare elements to help transform your complexion. And then Huda's tip says, if you're prone to irritation, the added chamomile helps soothe it all. Very, very nice. Now, I think the items that I did not get in this bag were the ones that I chose, because you did get to choose, I believe, 3 items. Like I said, I'm going to look into the possible missing products further. I'm pretty sure there was supposed to be 3 more items. So, like I said, I will keep you posted on that. Hello, future Jen here. Guess what I got in the mail? These are the replacements for the items I was missing in my Glambag X. It was very simple, guys. I just got on the IPSY website and talked to their little robot guy. I think it was a robot. I don't know, IPSY bot or something like. I just got on their website, spoke to customer service, and I got this in probably a week and a half, and that was with processing and shipping. So I really can't complain. They didn't give me a hard time at all, didn't really do anything to make me prove that the items were actually missing. It was a very simple process, and I'm very impressed with the customer service. So big thumbs up for IPSY on this one. Let me show you what I picked. I've got my flyer here so I can check the value, and I also have my glasses on, as you guys can see, but it's the only way I can read. The first thing that I have is this By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. This is what the package looks like. Here is what the packaging looks like. There's the top, and it does have a little cover in it. I forget what these are called, but it's like a filter, so you only get a little bit of powder instead of dipping your brush in the whole thing. Let's read about this item here. I feel like I'm reading the newspaper. By Terry, this is a $60 stinking value. Whoa! Even though it's mattifying, there's nothing drying about this cult fave hyaluronic acid infused powder. $60 value? Woo! Good choice, Jen. Good choice. Pat yourself on the back for that one. The next thing that I got is by Iconic London, and this is sheer blush in the color Rose Riot. I'm curious to see what this looks like. I really don't remember ordering any of this. I can see why I picked it, though. I love rose colored stuff, so I love rose anything. Scented, pictures, colored. Apparently it's not coming out. Got it. Oh, cool. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I think it's like a liquid blush. There's the color right there. And the entire package is rose gold. What the applicator looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch some just because I want to see. Ooh, that's really pretty. I bet it's buildable too. You guys see the coloring right there? Gorgeous. Let's read about this. We'll get our newspaper out. Iconic London Sheer Blush in Rose Gold. It has a $25 value. Get ready to glow with this unique gel to watercolor blush that melts right into skin to give you a soft, lit from within flush. I do like that. It's kind of pink, but I think on your cheeks it'll look a lot more natural. And then the last item that I picked is by Il Makiage. This is their Dirty Talk line, and the color is Elwa. Curious to see what this looks like. Again, it's got a nice rose color. Can't imagine why I liked it. Oh, wow. Look at the packaging. I've never had a lipstick in this shape before. Oh, it's magnetic. Hey, look at that. All kinds of fancy. Oh. Look at the pattern, or look at the design in the lipstick. And that color, my friends, stunning. Yeah, let's swatch it. Oh, I love that. There you go, right there. Is that not gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful. Definitely happy to have this too. Man, I have good taste. I picked some good stuff. It does not appear to be on my paper. So that's okay. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. I will let you guys go. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite product was. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below as well, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and hitting subscribe if you're not already subscribed, I would truly, truly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.